Welcome dear friends, in this video we will solve objective part of CSS International Law paper of the year 2026. The terms lex lata and lex ferenda refers to law as it is and law it should be. The observation that modern international law is too complex for a generalist is associated with Oscar Schechter. The court bound by Article 38 Practice plus Opinio Juris is the International Court of Justice ICJ. The most prominent exception to bilateralism in international legal relations is jus cogens. The quote, "The monist dualist controversy is unreal, artificial," is attributed to none of these. The quotation is commonly attributed to Sir Gerald Fitzmaurice. The applicable law rule for ICSID tribunals is contained in the ICSID Convention. The classic statement on territorial sovereignty and correlative duties is from the island of Palmas. The requirement of effective government without foreign troops was stated by the International Committee of Jurists (ICJ). The organization shall enjoy such legal capacity as may be necessary, appears in the UN Charter. The 1885 Protectorate or annexation discussion is associated with Cameroon versus Nigeria. The definition of occupation as acquisition of terra nullius is associated with J. Semsarian. High seas collision jurisdiction, flag state or nationality state is found in none of these. The rule comes from the High Seas Convention or UNCLOS. The statement that states may extradite without a treaty is attributed to D. McLean. The functions of a diplomatic mission representing, protecting interests or nationals are set out in Article 3 of the VCDR. The adoption of the text of a treaty takes place under the provisions of none of these. Under the VCLT, adoption of the text of a treaty is governed by Article 9. The ICCPR right of peoples to self-determination is provided under none of these. The right of people's self-determination is set out in Article 1 of the ICCPR. Just wars, avenge juries, God himself ordains. This is by St. Augustine. The ICJ statement that IHL can operate alongside human rights law was made in the construction of wall in occupied Palestinian territory. Article 14 of the Additional Protocol 1 1997 extends international armed conflict to armed conflicts for the right to self-determination. The concept of levy in masse refers to spontaneous uprising of inhabitants. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.